So we have a new question from GATE 2021 Thermodynamics. We are given the question is the heat of combustion of methane, carbon monoxide and hydrogen are P, Q and R respectively. For the given reaction CH4 plus H2O gives you CO plus 3H2. The heat of reaction is given by what? Right. So remember this, we have given heat of combustion, not heat of formation. Whenever we have given heat of formation, then what we will do, we will use Hess law. How we can calculate the heat of reaction from Hess law? You can calculate from heat of formation of CO plus heat of formation of H2 into its stoichiometry minus heat of formation of H2O minus heat of formation of CH4. From this you can calculate the heat of reaction if we have given heat of formation, but here we have given heat of combustion. For heat of combustion we calculate heat of reaction by this equation. The heat of reaction from heat of combustion, delta H of reaction is equal to reaction minus product, but we know from Hess law it will be reverse for heat of formation, but for heat of combustion it will be like this, it will be reverse. So heat of reaction minus heat of product, heat of combustion we will calculate from this. Since in heat of combustion we will write this equation, how we can write? We can write it as CH4 will be combusted into CO2 and H2O, right? And H2O will be combust like H2 plus half O2 gives you H2O, right? So it will be combustion equations from. So this is the reason why we write the combustion equation and heat of reaction terms. In heat of combustion terms we'll write it as reaction minus product. So from this equation we will get the answer, this P minus Q minus 3R. So the question is given like this, so option A will be our correct option, right? So our next question is from GATE 2021 Thermodynamics. The van der Waal equation of a state is given by VR is equal to 8 TR upon 3 VR minus 1 minus 3 upon VR square, where PR, TR and VR represents reduced pressure, reduced temperature and reduced molar volume respectively. The compressibility factor at critical point ZC is 3 by 8. If 3R barabar is 3R is equal to 3, VR is equal to 3 and TR is equal to 4 by 3, then the compressibility factor based on the van der Waal equation of a state is. So let's start with the solution. What is the solution? We know the compressibility factor is given as in generalized form Z is equal to PV by RT. Here V is the molar volume. So next we can also write it as PR into PC. We are writing P as PR into PC. Why? Since P upon PC is equal to PR. PR is the reduced pressure, PC is the critical pressure. Whenever you multiply the reduced property with the critical property, then you get the actual property. So it is PR into PC is equal to P, VR into VC is equal to V, and R, TR into TC will be T. So we have write it as next rearrange. If we rearrange it, PR VR upon TR into PC VC upon RTC, we will get it. So PC, what will be the PC VC upon RTC? It is the critical point, and so it will be ZC. It will be ZC PCVC upon RTC at critical point, right? Next, Z is equal to PR VR upon TR into ZC. Instead of PCVC upon RTC, we will write ZC, right? Next, we have given data is VR is equal to 3, TR is equal to 4 by 3, right? Given equation is up here, and now we have VR and TR, but we don't know the PR value, so we will calculate PR value from the given equation 8TR upon 3 VR minus 1 minus 3 upon VR square. So we will put the value of TR and VR, then we will get the answer will be PR is equal to 1, right? So Now we have PR, VR and TR, and ZC also we have given, that is 3 by 8. So we will put the values. Z is equal to 1 by 3, 1 into 3 upon 4 by 3 into 3 by 8. From this we will get the answer Z is equal to 0.843. So this is the right answer as per given official answer keys from GATE IIT Bombay. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.